Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be on the unboxing of the ORCA OE101 ESC that I'll be using for my X-Ray X1 2019 F1 car that I'll be participating in the local cup race, F1 class club race. So I'm new to this and I'm still learning as I move along, so leave down any comments if you see anything I should pay attention to, or anything that I can maybe improve on in terms of ESC related or anything related. That'll be nice. As I said, I'm new to this. So open up the box. I actually had it open earlier, but I ran into a technical issue with the camera, so I have to basically redo the recording again. So here you go. But definitely yeah, I would like to share what's in the box with you guys, so in case anyone interested in purchasing one of these and they know what they're getting themselves into. All right, so in terms of the box itself, silver, nice shiny looking silver packaging. I think they've this is the newer style packaging. I have an older 2018 well, 2 years ago, well, that's when it released, a B32 that I'll be doing an unboxing later. I actually will be running this on my 112 pan car later on, so I'll do another separate video for this, for the unboxing for this. But you can see the packaging are actually quite different. This is actually from 2018, and this is obviously the latest and greatest with the nice shiny package. So they changed the packaging, looks better. Anyway, open it up. You will be greeted with a instruction manual, the usual instruction manual stuff. Like you can download this online. It's available online. You don't have to read this. Well, you should read this, but you can get it online, so you can look at it on your computer. But like the programming info, wiring diagram, ESC firmware upgrade steps, procedures. They show you the different parameter you can adjust, programmable settings that are from the ESC that you can program with the program card using the OE1 program card, which is this one right here. All right, so put that aside. It comes with two fans, two sizes. One is the 30mm fan, looks like, and this one is a 25mm fan. Okay. The ESC, I had this open earlier, so sorry about that. But anyway, so the ESC, this is the ESC OE101, and it's darn small. Like, look at this. This is the ESC. This is the 30mm fan, and you can see they are height-wise, width-wise, and even thickness. It's close to the same size. And this thing is, man, it's light. Looks nice. So professional speed control. Man, I'm not sure. I guess for me it's not professional, but it's always nice to see that word there. Professional. Makes me feel faster. Feel like I can drive faster. Anyway, so comes with a capacitor, some shrink, like a shrink wrap. I'm not sure why it only comes in the red positive, but not the other one. Again, I'm newbie, so you guys out there probably know why. It comes with only one shrink wrap instead of two. And one piece of wiring. Not sure how long this is, but this is 13 gauge silicone wire. So cool, nice to have that. All right, so just to give you a quick idea of, just to confirm the weight, well, the manufacturer claim, ORCA claimed this is about 20 something, a little bit over 20 grams. So let's weigh that and see. 21. Try it again. 19. Well, you know what? Maybe just the variance on my scale. So I would say, well, I think it's under the specs, but let's just say 20. So anyway, so it's pretty much bang on from what they claim about. I think they claim that it is 20 grams. So yeah, there you go. the unboxing of the ORCA OE101. There you have it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and definitely we'll talk to you on our my next video. I will be unboxing the the B32O ESC later on, and also the Bitstream 2 motor. And basically, as I move along with my RC journey, I'm going to be doing basically every item that I'll be acquiring. I'll try to do an unboxing on the different components as well. I mean, I got a servo here. The expert servo that I'll be using for the F1 that I'll be doing an unboxing for that as well. So anyway, so there you go. Have a good one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye bye.